Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really fun shaker card using this cute and funny stamp set. This stamp set is called Southern Heifer, and what I love about this stamp set is all of the sentiments that came with it. So I also brought in a wonky stitch die, a rounded corner die, as well as my grassy border die to create a scene card. So I've gone ahead and cut out everything I needed, such as my acetate, the wonky stitch, the rounded rectangle, which I used the third largest one. I went ahead and colored my cow ahead of time, and I also cut out my grass. So my first grass, I would say, is about 1 to 1.5 inches, and then I just cut the second grass in half. That way they can go on top of each other, so there will be a dimension. And now I'm putting my acetate on top of my wonky stitch, and then I'm adding my 1/8 inch foam tape all around. I'm also adding this to the center. That way I know that my shaker card will look fuller, if that makes any sense. So because they're contained in each of those rectangles, and so I'm spacing these out evenly. And I kind of put more on the right side of this because the right side, my right side, as you see here, will be the very top of my card, so that contained more sequins than the bottom. So I am using This Calls For Confetti sequence mix. I will have that name down below. And let's go ahead and assemble our card. So I chose a black cardstock to mat my shaker, and I just gave it about a 1/8 inch border. And I love matting my cards with black cardstock. Like if I can't find the right color to mat it, I'll usually go to black because that's what stands out most to me, and it's what matches most cards. Even a beautiful floral card will stand out with black cardstock, I think. And on my sample card, I heat embossed Heifer Please from another stamp set, and I heat embossed that white, and you will see that in the end, and you also saw it in the beginning when you'll see the embossed one, but it didn't show. I didn't do it here because it didn't really show because of the shaker element, so I opted not to do it for this card here. And now I'm going to go ahead and assemble our card with the grass. I put the grass first, and then I put the rounded rectangle behind it. And then I'm not popping up the cow, but on my sample card, I did pop the cow up. But I figured this one, I'm not going to pop it up because it's already thick. And I actually like it. I also like the popped up one, but you can make a decision whether you want it popped up or not. And then the sequence mix came with flowers, so I set aside 4 or 5 flowers, and then I put some pink confetti in the center of that, and that finishes up our shaker card. Let me know what you guys think down below of this card. I hope you'll give this a try. For more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, you can visit us on the links down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.